Hey everyone, this is Mr. Les, Making Money Online. We're here again to let you know about some more pertinent information. I'm going to use that word pertinent on making money online. You know, for ones that like to stay home. Who doesn't? But I have ways that you can make money by staying home. And this is, if you need to get paid within the next 24 hours, I'm going to give you a list of websites right now that will pay you anything from $200 to $600 a month, even if you're a complete beginner. Okay? Even teenagers are welcome. But the first site I'm going to tell you about is called testbirds.com. And these guys will pay you up to $200 a month. That's right, $200 a month. The second one I have here is known as userstesting.com. And these guys can pay you up to as much as $300 a month. And number 3 on my list is userlytics.com. These guys are awesome. They're paying people up to $500 a month. $500 a month is not just simple change. For a lot of people, this is pretty serious coins. Now, number 4 I'll show you real quick before I leave you is trymania.com. These awesome people here for testing websites will pay you up to $600 a month. Now, that pretty much puts it in a nutshell for everyone. If you're looking for more information and wish to follow me, feel free to do. Give me that like and subscribe, and I'll be back with you to show you more of money-making opportunities online. See ya!